So a lot of high schoolers don't get the opportunity to go to college because they can't afford to do so. And the Rales-O'Neill Scholarship gives these high schoolers the opportunity to receive an education and to actually pursue something that they want to do in the future.
If you're a student like me who I immigrated to this country 3 years ago, I didn't know if I would even have the resources or the money to pay for college, let alone go to college. So hearing about this scholarship, it created like a doorway for me, a path that I didn't know would be opened for me.
A lot of high schoolers like myself don't know what is in our future, what our future holds for us. And so the Rales-O'Neill Scholarship gives us the money and the opportunity to figure out what we want to do.
Well, I've always known that I wanted to go to college and medical school, so being awarded the scholarship brings me a little bit closer to achieving that goal.
Coming into this process, this application, I had many doubts. I didn't think I would ever get the resources I needed to go to college or to grow in my education, but fortunately and gratefully, thanks to this scholarship, I feel like I have a way to actually foster my education and just keep growing.
Choosing a school with a great pre-med program is important to get into medical school and to do well. The scholarship allows me to consider those schools.
To all of my fellow Rales-O'Neill Scholarship students,
I want to say congratulations to all of you, to all the recipients of the Rales-O'Neill Scholarship.
Considering our circumstances, I am so incredibly proud of you.
I believe we did something amazing.
For being high-achieving students in MCPS and for working so hard to achieve this scholarship.
I'm just so proud of you. I'm proud of all of us.
I am honored to be receiving this scholarship with such an extraordinary group of fellow scholars.
So congratulations to you all.